Hi guys, I'm working on my on the sidecar bike today. I've got a couple of bits and pieces I must do to it. I'm going to rejig in all the steering. You'll see that coming out in a future video. I'm also working I put a new starter into it, done a few other bits and pieces, reworked the gear lever, which is now fine. Bike starts on the button now, which is absolutely fantastic. Got a couple of other bits and pieces I must do to it. I have this really funky horn. I picked it up at a boot sale. So that's going to be mounted. That's going to be mounted right there. So anybody who's on the actual passenger seat, which is the seat on the bike, because the driver's seat is there on the sidecar. So the passenger is actually on the bike, and they're the only one on the bike. So guys, what I'm going to doing is I'm going to mount it on the handlebars, let the passenger blow the horn, have a bit of crack while they're driving along, because this thing does get a lot of attention. Sorry about the camera, I'm actually using the front camera on my phone at the moment. So guys, that's where I'm at the moment. Listen, there's loads and loads of these videos of this on my channel. Have a flick through them. Some good stuff. There's some good stuff in there. The whole build from start to finish is there, plus a few other bits and pieces that I've done. So guys, like and subscribe to the channel, and click on the old notification button if you like what you see. Okay, see you later guys, bye bye.